to Always Alyssa. Today I have a cooking tutorial that I think you guys are going to love. It's how to make ice cream cone cake pops. All you're gonna need for this recipe is one cake mix, one pudding mix, some frosting, waffle cones, melting chocolates or chocolate chips, sprinkles, and if you want to do normal cake pops instead of with this, then you can get some tree sticks. The first thing you're gonna do is make your cake mix with the instructions on the back of the box. But before you bake it, you're gonna take out the pudding mixture from inside here, mix that into your cake mix, and then bake it. You can also make your pudding separately and add it in later, which is what I did today, but it might be easier just to add it directly into your cake mix. Once your cake is out of the oven, make sure it's completely cooled. First cool in the pan for a few minutes, then take it out of the pan, put it in the fridge so it can really chill. And once that's done, you're gonna cut your cake in half because we're only gonna be using half for this recipe, and we're going to put it in a big bowl. I'm getting my cake out of the fridge. You might think that it looks a little bit weird of a shape. That's because it's upside down from the pan, but we're gonna cut this in half. Let's cut our cake. Ooh, this looks like this cake turned out pretty good. Just lift it up, like that. Put it in the bowl. Tastes good. Since I'm not going to be using this for anything until later, unless I want to make a second batch, I'm going to put it in the fridge. Now you're going to add a half cup of buttercream frosting. You can make homemade frosting if you want, but we just got store-bought. Now we have our frosting and our cake in the bowl, but before we start mixing, I'm gonna add a couple spoonfuls of our pudding. Let's start with that. And make sure your hands are nice and clean and washed because we're going to be hand mixing for this part. Your hands are gonna get pretty dirty. Look at that. I've got a cookie tray ready to go that's lined with wax paper, and now we're going to separate our dough that we have created into balls. Since we're making these to go in ice cream cones, we're gonna make them slightly bigger than regular cake pops. So maybe about that big. It's about golf ball size. These are some pretty hefty cake pops. This is actually my first time making cake pops. I guess I didn't realize how messy it was, but it's not too hard. Hey, that tastes pretty good, but I do have to wash my hands now. They got pretty dirty. I'm gonna open my waffle cones just to check the size of them. Ooh, these ones do look pretty big, so these might be a little small, even though I made them bigger than normal cake pops. Maybe I can cut these down a little bit and make them a little smaller. Maybe if I just cut a little bit off the top. I'm just gonna try my best using this serrated knife to cut this down just a little bit so we can fit my cake pops. Try really carefully, maybe about right here. Ooh, this is trickier than it looks. A little bit of a rough cut. That's okay, we're gonna make this work and I'm gonna cut a few more. Once all your cones are ready, you're gonna set them to the side so we can start melting our chocolate. Now you're going to melt your chocolate according to the instructions on the back of the pack. Mine says put in for 1 minute at 50% power. I'm gonna start with pink and white. Looks like the melting chocolate is all ready. So now I'm just going to pour it over half of these, and the other half I'm going to do pink in a minute because these aren't melted yet. It might be okay if it looks a little sloppy and not like perfect, but it's gonna look like ice cream in the end anyway, so I think it'll be cute. I finished all of the white ones, so now I'm gonna melt the pink melting chocolate so I can make some pink ones. The pink is all the way melted, so now I'm gonna put it on the 4 remaining cake pops. Once you've covered all of your cake pops, we're going to let them set for a minute or even chill in the fridge. And then once they're chilled, we're gonna put a little more topping on top to look like some drizzle. It's gonna be really cute. While the cake pops are still chilling in the fridge, I'm gonna prepare all of my colors. I'm only gonna use about half a package for these because they're just gonna be used for the topping on top of the cake pops. I have the red color ready, so I'm gonna hurry and do it before it cools off. I'm just gonna pipe it on the top so it looks like a cute little ice cream topping. Now I'm gonna start doing the yellow. Ooh, this one's so cute. It's so cute, it looks like cotton candy. I'm gonna top this one with a white gumball. So cute. Dang, that one looks so real. Wow.
I like it.
Thanks, you too.
You're welcome.
Okay, now that I have finished all the cake pops, they look so cute. To put them on the cones, I'm gonna use a little DIY project that we made out of a box. We just stabbed a bunch of holes in it so we can put the cones in it and they can stay upright.
I'm gonna be joining Alyssa on this part so we can make this work. So as she was telling you guys, we have this box. We poked holes in the box so we could put the cones in here and have them stand upright while they start to cool down. But we also had the idea of using this bottle because this baby bottle also could kind of hold the cone. So there's gotta be something around your house you could probably use.
Yeah.
The first step is gonna be to get some of this, because it's like ice cream, we're gonna put it around and it's okay if it like kind of goes around and looks kind of messy, but it's gonna help seal your cone to the ice cream, to the cake pop.
Yep. You call it ice cream because it looks so realistic.
Yes.
And really cute.
Alyssa was also going to mention how you could put something inside as a surprise.
Like sprinkles or leftover pudding.
Something. Okay, ready?
Yes.
Let's try that one.
Okay. I think I'm going to cut off a little bit
That
of...
looks nice. Let's put it on here first and then we'll maybe do that.
Okay.
Let's see how that fits. Oh, it fits nicely.
Okay.
Okay, so now she's right. We'll get some of this hard melting chocolate off now that we know it fits really well. I'm gonna add a little more of this. Make sure it's nice and fresh.
Oh, I forgot this chocolate might not harden up as fast.
Oh yeah, we used actual, this is so cute, actual chocolate,
That one's ready.
not melting chocolate.
For the chocolate ones, the
For the
brown
chocolate
ones.
ones, yeah. Okay, so this is here, this is like basically ready to go.
Cute.
That's very, very cute. And, okay.
This pink one's ready. That one's ready too.
Okay, we're gonna do that adorable white one next. Look how cute and perfect this is. Like, it's
I know,
literally
it's so cute.
so cute. I can hardly get over how cute this is. While we were doing the time lapse, you guys might have noticed that we started doing something else, and we got the idea to crush up some of these extra pieces of the waffle cones.
And put them inside those.
Yes. So you'll see they're inside the top of the waffle cones so that we can kind of fill the cone up a little bit and then have more of a like base on top to make this part,
And then
the
we can
cake
put
pop
more of
stick.
this on that so it'll actually
Yes.
stick together.
And this melting chocolate actually does melt really hard.
It does.
I've got it on my hands and I feel like I have super glue on my hands. What does that say for eating this stuff though? Like, that's a little weird to me. But it's fun to work with it, so.
That's true.
We have
Fun to
two
make.
little,
Extras?
yes. And they're so cute. It's perfect because the bottom doesn't have to be perfect or covered.
Try to put it in this.
Oh yeah, like a waffle cone.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that is so cute.
Oh, it just broke.
Oh, we have more, we have more. What a good idea. That is cute. It's like
You
a
ready?
waffle cone. It's
Oh
adorable.
my gosh, look how cute that is.
Okay,
Perfect.
that's cute.
Genius.
That works.
Okay, I don't know about you guys, but I had a super fun time making these. I think they turned out absolutely adorable, especially that one. They actually look like real ice cream cones. I'm also pretty excited to taste them. Look how cute! They look so realistic. Should I invite my brothers over to have some, or should I eat them all myself? Hashtag Miss Johnson moment.
Ooh, could we have some?
Okay, fine.
Yes. Ooh, I'm gonna try this
I
one.
have to try this one. It looks so good. I don't even know where to start. Like,
I want that one.
what one?
This one. How do we even like eat
I don't
it?
know. I feel like I might need a bowl.
Oh, that. I'm used to ice cream. I just like this.
I know, you want to lick it, but it's not lickable.
It's so real. It's convincing. You can't just lick it.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Take a bite.
It's so good. It's so good.
It's so Oops, I remember it's not ice cream.
How do you like yours, Owen?
This is so good.
So this is a winner? You guys like it?
Oh yeah.
Everybody loves it.
So make sure to comment and tell me if you guys followed along and if you also enjoyed them. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!